How to change photo format on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera as shown. Here, go to Formats. On this page, go to the Camera Capture section and select Most Compatible. Most Compatible will always use the JPEG/H.264 format. Now, go back and open up the Camera app. On the camera screen, tap on the Capture button below to take a photo. Then, go to the Photos app on your phone. Open the photo you just took from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the icon in the middle. As you can see, the photo is in the JPEG format. Alternatively, go back and open another photo from here. Tap on the icon below again. This photo is in the PNG format. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Share icon. Here, scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Then, go to the folder you want to save the photo to and tap on Save at the top. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Go to the folder where you saved the photo to and open the photo. Tap on the arrow down button at the top. Here, tap on Export. From here, choose the file format. For example, JPEG. Then, choose the image size you want. After that, tap on Save at the top right corner. Go back and open the photo again and save it to your phone in the same way. Then, open the Photos app to view this photo. And then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the icon in the middle. As you can see, this photo is now in the JPEG format. Following these steps, you can easily change photo format on iPhone.